is what a ghost town looks like, everybody. Look, we have a GS. You know the saying, hey, I remember when this was all trees, this was all houses. Alright, so we're about a mile out from Centralia, or what I believe is Centralia. And let's talk about the ghost town effect and how it's shaped, you know, other forms of media. We're going to talk about Silent Hill. Now, I don't know the video game too well. I should know the video game because I used to be a big video game nerd, but I don't. Here we go, we're in Centralia now. So the municipal building still exists. I think there's like a truck in there. Yeah, there's an old 4700.
Here I am in Centralia in front of the municipal building. I don't know if you can see this. They have taken the name off the building, but you still have some remnants. It does say Centralia Borough there. Did do a drive-by. I didn't see anything crazy. It's not the Silent Hill that you expect. You do have the church on the mount, on top of the mountain, on top of the hill, like the video game, like the show, like the movie. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing to here. If you want to stop by, you're welcome to go, and then go to Knoebels. Go to some other small towns here in the middle of Pennsylvania, but.
Yeah, we are in Centralia here. I'm going to go off the beaten path. So, just go for a quick drive. This is what a ghost town looks like, everybody. It's not horrible. This is what look, we have a GS. Last time that was not there. But this was all full of houses. You know the saying, hey, I remember when this was all trees, but this was all houses. This was all a neighborhood. There are some homes. I don't want to bother them. That's not right. You got a house there. You got a house right in front of me. That's really it. So this is this is pretty much it. I mean, there's not much to Centralia. Let me see if I can see I don't know if I can see the church. I'll get back to the Silent Hill because the church has something to do with Silent Hill. At least the movie. There's a house down there too. I can't see it. I'll put a picture up then. This is the new little graffiti road, I guess. I did not want to go by the houses, but I will. But up on that mountain there is a church. And that church does have. That church does, still practice. That house is weird, and that house is weird. I'm not seeing. They actually added buttresses to support the house. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing that, or fortunately, whatever. I'm not seeing it. I believe the house down the street does have has buttresses to support. I don't want to go by and take a picture and all that other stuff. But that is Centralia. But the whole thing is about the movie, the church is involved and it's like a cult and it's evil and blah, blah, blah. Golden Trike. And, what happened was, at least in the movie, because the one girl was different, they ended up killing her in front of the open mine. This used to be 61 right here. That's the old graffiti highway. It's now buried. Archaeologists are going to have a field day in 500-600 years, or 1,000 years. I don't know. This is new 61. It's a little safer. It's away from the vein. But anyway, the movie, I'm going to spoil it, I don't care. So they're like, this girl's different, let's burn her at the stake. So they did, in front of the open coal mine, and then all hell broke loose. And off into an alternate reality, and that part I don't get. So yeah, and you know, burning a girl that's different, I don't get either. But yeah, so that's kind of what happened there. That movie, yeah, it's pretty hard. You know, it's a horrible. Like, if you want a horror, we're in October right now. Go watch it. It's a good horror movie. Some of it's a little disgusting. Yeah, and then here's the asset. Here's the other end of 61 there, but you're not allowed there. So
the difference between the movie and real life is real life wasn't somebody being burned at the stake. Real life was some people pushing garbage into an abandoned mine, and in both situations, a coal mine fire did happen. So that is the major difference, but it is this huge deal in the Centralia area. You have Route 61 destroyed, people have left the area, and it kind of showed us, you know, as a community, as a country, that we do need to take care of, you know, environmental sites like abandoned coal mines or even coal mines in general. Thank you for joining me on this little side trip to Pennsylvania's most famous ghost town. I do appreciate it. If you do like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.